I'm a small creator, but after uploading 7 videos, I learned lessons I wish I knew before starting. Heyo everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's me again, Vince. So today, I'm gonna tell you guys 7 lessons I learned from starting YouTube. So lesson number 1, nobody cares. I wish I knew this sooner. Because I was so nervous, I had no views, I had no audience. I wish I knew this sooner because I wanted everything to be perfect. And before I started, I wish I had lowered my expectations. Because nobody's gonna care, nobody's gonna watch. Maybe just a few or maybe none. So I wish I lowered my expectations before making these videos. And I'm just going to keep editing, keep uploading, be consistent, and I'm going to improve myself every day for that 1% in getting better. Because that's how we do. It's how we do it, guys. That's how we do it. Lesson number 2, just keep showing up, guys. Like in my previous videos, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if it's going to be 7 days a week of uploading YouTube videos, cause we need rest days. Okay? And we're avoiding burnout. Lesson number 3, your videos won't be perfect. Like my first video comparing to my latest video. The first video didn't look good, okay? And comparing now to my latest videos, it's starting to improve. And I'm going to keep improving. Okay? The camera confidence, the editing, I'm going to improve everything. Cause I know I'm gonna make mistakes. And these mistakes are going to help me improve every day. Lesson number 4, the stories matter more than the equipment. Like how we just started from using this iPhone 12 to getting this DJI mic. And why did I get this DJI mic? Because I wanted to fund the dream. And I want my videos to have better audio. And you know guys, the gear doesn't make the creator. It's all about the journey on how we get there. The process on being better. The process on how the message is delivered. And how the message matters to everyone. Lesson number 5, finding your own style. So for the past videos, I've been experimenting. I've been finding my own style. My own genuine style that I can bring to you guys naturally. The topics, the way I talk, the way I edit my videos, how I deliver it to you guys so that you're inspired by me on how I can motivate you guys every day in being consistent, in being disciplined, by just showing up. Lesson number 6, the small wins keep you going. Like my first video, my second video, my third video, my fourth video. Everything keeps me going. Just the small things. My first thumbnail, it didn't look good. But now, it's getting better. The first comment in my videos is a small win for me. And it keeps me going. I want to get more comments, more engagement with my audience. I want to make more videos so that I can inspire everybody because all of these small wins matter to me. But not only that, but it also improves me. It improves me on how I deliver the messages to you guys. Lesson number 7, the journey is the content. So it's all about documenting my life, my journey on how I improve myself, on how I'm being consistent with you guys, and my growth on becoming someone I want. And it's all about building something. So guys, I'm only 7 videos into the journey, but I know there's still too much to learn. If you're also starting, tell me, what's that one lesson that you've learned? Let me know in the comments, guys. Okay guys, this is just a short one. I hope you like and subscribe. See you all in the next one. Peace!